Look at film. Just kind of scan around a little bit and show everything, but not into the sun. Too lazy to shovel out their own parking spots.
I wish we got a video of it snowing. Can I be done yet? I don't want to do like all of the video.
Yeah, just all the way down.
What?
Look at that there. That big pile.
Holy moly. Doesn't look so big on the camera for some reason.
Hillside.
That's a pretty picture. I think you're a crazy person.
Now we gotta watch it here. There's a car in that oncoming lane. I had to do the same thing.
What?
This lady doesn't know what she's doing. Because they got the other lane blocked off with snow.
Really?
Yeah. See, that's the reason you can't get through there. Look how narrow this lane is. 4 or 5 feet of snow on the side here. Look at that.
I feel bad for the snowplow people.
Is that thing still recording?
Yes. Sure is. Look at all the snow. Pretty snow. It's only pretty the first 2 days after it falls, then it turns into icky colors. We're gonna have a lot of snow to remove before this weekend.
Ooh, almost had a wreck there.
Yeah,
see
we got that on camera.
Yeah. Oh boy. That was close to a hospital. Wouldn't that have been something?
If we got it on tape. Evidence. Would you have to like turn that in?
Well, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it'd be my obligation to turn it into the authorities so the insurance companies could iron it out.
And know exactly what happened.
Still recording?
I like the way them trees look right there.
Yeah. Still recording?
Yes, it is.
I don't know how many minutes that'll record for.
3 minutes, 55 seconds so far.
55 seconds?
Yeah. Why do I feel like everybody's driving weird?
I want to go down past American Gothic. That new exhibit they put outdoors. It looks like they put it up today. I want to get that on film.
Whoa. Bumpy.
The sun is melting all the snow off the road.
Good.
The chemical on there really activates it.
This car's driving really slow.
What's this guy doing here?
He doesn't know. Everybody seems to be all weird today. Like, hey, I want to look up there. Pretty. The big snow pile.
go down Bluff Street, and then we'll come back on Locust, and I want to stop and get a picture of the American Gothic statue.
That's awesome.
That'd be 15, 20 feet tall. I don't know.
Snow piles. What park is this? Washington?
They're loading up the dump trucks here, I think.
That's a pretty gazebo. Whatever it is. Snow in the back of that truck. Is there snow in there?
Oh, yeah. He's gonna go get loaded up right now.
God.
I wish this. Look at here, it all bottlenecks down.
Look at this pretty building. Look at this building. This is.
Snow piles there. You hear?
Ooh, that's a big snow pile. You can't really tell, it's so bright. You can't really see the snow pile.
Get a shot of Gothic over there. See him?
You can see him a little, but you can't. You want me to take a picture?
Can you zoom in on him?
You can't zoom when you're already in the record. Oh yeah, you can. Not very well though.
Okay, can you see him?
Yeah, kinda. I mean, it's zoomed in as best as it can go.
Okay, back in, back out now, the zoom.
Here's a big snow pile. Tall as a truck almost.
It's insane.
Pretty tree. Bentley, how you doing back there, buddy?
Wow. Get Gothic.
Hi, people.
That is really cool. We're going to get a picture of that real quick. That is neat. So that's the Museum of Art right there.
I know, I went there with Christina for school. Alright, time to end the video after 7 minutes and 23 seconds.
Is it over?